So on this 2013 Jetta, a light came on in the car that looked like that. What that meant is to check the coolant level, and you can see right there, the coolant level is below the minimum line. So we're gonna go ahead and add some to that. Now this is not like a radiator, so you don't need to wait for it to cool down. You can actually open this up shortly after you pull over. And then ideally you're going to get a funnel for this. See, it was under a little bit of pressure, but nothing crazy. Maybe don't put your face right over it as you open it. And anyways, we have this pre-mixed antifreeze, and then you just add it until it gets back above the line. Very straightforward.